simple patterns by stamping.
Ma'am, may I come in?
Come in, Jimmy. Oh wow, new frock.
Yes, ma'am. It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday to you, dear Jimmy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jimmy, the pattern on your frock is really beautiful.
Ma'am, how is a pattern made on this frock?
A block with flower-shaped design that has been used as a stamp on the frock to make a beautiful pattern like this.
Make a pattern using a stamp. How is that done?
Alright, let me explain it to you. Yes, so children, today we will learn how to stamp patterns with the help of blocks and some other objects.
Ma'am, can you tell us what is a stamp?
Choose a block that matches the design of the pattern you want and apply your favorite color on it. When this block is pressed against a cloth or paper, we call it a stamp. Look at Jimmy's frock. The pattern is made by stamping a colored block which has the design of a flower on it.
Ma'am, can we make several patterns by using stamps like these?
Yes, absolutely. Look, this is a block with the design of a rose flower. So we can make a pattern like this.
Oh wow, ma'am. This is very easy to make such patterns.
Yes, Jimmy. It's simple to make patterns with a stamp. We can easily create different types of patterns by applying color on a block or other objects.
Ma'am, can we make patterns using stamps in our drawing books as well?
Yes, children. Come, let me show you some pictures that have been created by stamping. And you have to tell me which objects were used as stamps to make these kind of pictures.
All right, ma'am.
Here in these pictures, which vegetable was cut and dipped in color to get this pattern by stamping? Lady's finger or capsicum? Jimmy, can you try?
Ma'am, in these pictures, pattern of lady's finger was stamped by cutting and dipping it in different colors.
Awesome! Very good, Jimmy. Children, we can make simple patterns by using other vegetables and fruits as well. All we need to do is cut them and either dip them in color or apply color on them. See how pieces of apple are used here as stamps to create a pattern by repeating the design.
Ma'am, how can I create a picture if I don't have anything to use as a block or a stamp?
Jimmy, it is very easy. First of all, either soak your hand in color or apply some color on your hand, then stamp it on a paper. See, like this. Now, dip one finger in the yellow color and stamp it like this. Then dip the rest of your fingers in different colors and stamp them like this. Now tell me, what do you think this is?
Wow, ma'am, this is a picture of a tree.
Yes, you are right, Jimmy. Children, look at these patterns. These were made by using fingers as stamps.
Oh wow! Ma'am, this is very easy.
There are several other ways by which you can create patterns by stamping.
How is that?
Come on, now let me show you patterns created using different types of objects as stamps. This is a pattern made by stamping a balloon dipped in different colors. 6 pencils were tied together and dipped in color. Then the bundle was used as a stamp to get this pattern. Now see this. Different designs were made on potatoes so that after applying color, these could be stamped for patterns. And yes, children, toys that can be worked as stamps are sold in shops too. You can also use them to create your favorite patterns.
Wow! Such stamping toys are also available. Ma'am, can we make patterns by using any block or any object as stamp, right? All we need to do is either apply color on them or dip them in color, right?
You are absolutely right.
Ma'am, now we also know how to make simple patterns by stamping.
Very well. So tomorrow, all of you, please stamp a beautiful pattern in your notebook with a block or an object of your choice and bring it.
Okay, ma'am.
So friends, today in this video, we learned how to stamp patterns with the help of blocks and other objects. In the next video, we will bring to you some more examples of creating patterns by using stamps. Friends, today we will see some interesting examples of how to use objects around us as stamps to create different kinds of patterns. Hey Vinny, what happened? What are you thinking about?
Mummy, I have to create a beautiful pattern in my drawing notebook by stamping. I need to show it in school tomorrow.
Oh, so you have to create a pattern by stamping.
Yes, Mummy. But what should I use to create a simple pattern out of stamping?
Vinny, look. Which vegetables are these?
These are lady's finger and onions. Oh yes, our teacher told us that we can make use of vegetables as stamps to make patterns.
You are right. So now we will cut this small onion into 2 halves like this and dip both the pieces in different colors. We will then stamp these on a paper and create a nice pattern.
Pattern with an onion stamp. How?
Dip the 2 pieces of onion in 2 different colors and stamp on all 4 corners of the page like this. See, the pattern is ready.
Oh yes. Now we can stamp on the onion in the middle also.
Very good, Vinny.
Mummy, can we create some other pattern by using onions as stamps?
Yes, Vinny. Look, let us create 5 onion stamps like this, then right above it another 6 stamps in a different color and with 7 stamps on top in another color. Now begin with 4 stamps in a straight line and 5 stamps in a slanting line. This way we can make a boat.
Oh wow, Mummy! Can we make a balloon by using onions as a stamp?
Yes, Vinny. By dipping 6 pieces of an onion into 6 different colors, we can stamp them like this to make a balloon.
Now to show that these balloons are tied with threads, we can draw lines like this.
Wow! This pattern looks really beautiful.
Yes, Mummy, can we also create a pattern by using both onion and lady's finger?
Absolutely. Yes, Winnie. Let me show you. See, Winnie, first of all, we will make a drawing like this on a paper.
Oh, this looks like a vase.
Yes, it is a picture of a vase. Now with the help of onion and lady's finger, we will make flowers like this.
Mummy, since this picture has 5 stems, so shall we make 5 such flowers?
Yes, Winnie. But we will stamp the second flower using a piece of onion dipped in some other color, just like this.
Do we need to repeat this pattern now?
Yes, Winnie. Now let us make the third flower the same way we made the first.
Yes, and the fourth would be the same as the second one.
Now how would you make the last flower?
To complete this pattern, the last flower should be like the first and the third one.
Very good, Winnie. Now let's make a pattern on the vase using lady's finger as stamp.
We will stamp on this strip of the vase.
Yes, so let's stamp with 2 pieces of lady's finger dipped in different colors in this pattern.
Oh wow! This vase is looking so beautiful.
Yes, Winnie. Now go ahead and make a simple pattern of your favorite object in your drawing notebook using stamps. And I will go and cook some dinner.
All right, Mummy.
So children, today in this video, you saw some interesting examples of how you can use objects from your surroundings to create patterns by stamping. In the next video, we will talk about the days of the week. Of numbers.